What's up? Welcome back. Today, I ended up getting some shit done that I was supposed to the other day. I didn't, so now I'm gonna show y'all what I did. I don't really work no more and video it because it takes too much to video something while I'm working, so I'm gonna just show y'all what I've taken care of over the last couple days. Welcome back. So I ended up getting the bolts, nuts and bolts, and gotten the exhaust manifold in there. That's in. I gotten the nuts and bolts for the intake manifold, which I already had. I got them in there though. I had to cut the bottom ones a little bit because the bottom ones were a little bit long here, so I cut them so they don't hit the other ports for the other injectors. So you can run 8 injectors on this intake manifold, but I'm only going to run 4. Yeah, so we got this in there, got this in there. I already got the wire for the starter on. I got the wire for the alternator on. Alternator wire right here. It runs all the way back into the cab here. Alright, for in here, I don't know if y'all remember, but I had some big ass bolts holding this down. I went ahead and got some little dome top hex head bolts. You know, just got the nut on the bottom here. Let me adjust this shit. So yeah, so I got that in here. Basically, this is the new fuse box. That's all I need, really. Got all this bolted up on here. This runs from the alternator, and this runs back into the wiring harness right here. So it's all coming together. I'll get this cleaned up right here. Oh yeah. Got that taken care of. Y'all already seen these. The headlights in. So what I'm gonna do now, and y'all will probably see it in the next video, I'll probably put it on jack stands here in a bit, and I'm going to install the steel braided brake lines that I got, and then I'm going to go ahead and order a lip, and then go ahead and order the brake pads and rotors and get those on. So that's the next step. But in the meantime, I need to get the fuel pump, fuel pressure regulator, injectors, and fuel rails. Go ahead and start it. I want to get it started up here soon. Also need to get the radiator fans and the fan shroud that go on the other side of the radiator here, and get it up in there. Get that installed. I did have the plastic installed over here, so I know it fits. All the wires tucked back. Only thing I have to do, I have to put a slit right here, and then I'll cut this down so all of that will fit. But that shit came out clean. Fit right in there. We got the steering wheel laying down there. Just hang this shit right here. I just never put the steering wheel on because I'm always taking it off and on because I always gotta get in the car, get underneath there for pedals and shit. But yeah. Next is starting it up and getting the brakes on. So it's the next step. Yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for coming by. It's a short video. Didn't really do nothing much, but what I showed you guys there. Once again, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I'm always dropping videos weekly, trying to update the K-Series build right here. For those of y'all that don't know, basically the outside of the car is going to be painted. It's going to be painted silver, like that. 1992 shit ain't no new shit. It has gold flakes in it. You guys probably can't see it right here. Guns big enough to sink a fucking cruise ship. Fuck around and be a news clip with them loose lips. Yeah, it's hard to see, but basically all the bays, engine bay, rear trunk, front trunk, all been painted. Door jambs. Just the outside of the car left to be painted. I didn't want to paint the outside yet because, you know, I'm always working, leaning against it, all that shit. Once I get the engine done, car started, running, probably get it dynoed, then I'll paint the outside of the car. But appreciate y'all stopping by, watching the build, like, share, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Come back, see what I gotta do next. Thanks.